Okay, so first off, I'm just gonna wash my face, make sure I have no extra oils. Sorry for the background, my dog is going crazy. Now I'm gonna be using the Flex Lashed bonding glue. I'm gonna make sure all my hair is back, and I'm gonna have to be talking really fast because I sped the video up. But right here, I'm just applying it onto the root of my eyelashes. You can take it all the way through your eyelashes like mascara, but I just don't like when my eyelashes get stuck to the clusters. So I just put it on the root. I also applied it on the base of the cluster, and I'm just applying it right under my eyelash. Try to do it as close to the root of your lash as you can. It just looks better and it lasts longer. So I'm just going to continue to do the same thing, just showing you guys how I apply it. And wow, why did I look like that? But yes, so glad I blew my nose before this video. And usually every set comes with 4 to 5 clusters, so it's enough. I don't like to go too far in, but look at the difference. Wow. So now I need to put my hair up. I don't know why I felt the need to film that. Now I'm just pinching my eyelashes together, and this applicator will come in your kit. I also just go through and I pinch it with my fingers. Now I'm just combing the lashes, and wow, this video is going so fast I can't even keep up. So wow, look at that. Yes. Yeah, we see the difference, girl. It looks great. Okay, but did you guys notice how natural it looked? Looking down at the eyelashes, it legit looks like I sat in a lash place for 4 hours, spent more than 200 bucks. They look amazing. All right, you guys, well, that is enough for my horrible voiceover. Hopefully I'll get better in time, but I gotta go before my kids beat each other up. I love you guys, and I hope it helps. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys that, or tell you guys that something that's been helping make mine last a lot longer is curling them. So you can just do like a light pinch. It just gives it that extra like security. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. So I just put my eyelash in there, and then I just pinch it together. And it just, I don't know, lately it's just making, it's been making them last like a lot longer, and they look prettier.